how to know if you are making the right decision in your business. Have you ever felt confused and not sure what to do because there is so many advices out there? Some experts say do Z, and the other expert said no, don't do that, do Y. I know it happened to me so many times, and I was so confused. Like, I didn't know who to follow, who to trust, what to do, and I was all over the place. Then I was chasing shiny objects, and seriously, I was all over the place. And then I found Michelle Rohr and her coaching program, The Magic Is You. And she talks about that the magic is you, not the algorithm, not the YouTube channel, not the Instagram channel, not the, I don't know, all these experts out there, but the magic is you. What makes you you? She always talks that you are bigger than algorithm, and the truth is we will never beat algorithms. They are changing so quickly and so often, and it makes us overwhelmed if we want to compete with algorithms. So how to make the right decision that is right for you, maybe not for your neighbor or bestie, business bestie, but for you and for your business. And I will share you 3 steps. One step is that you tune in and start listening to your body. What does your body say? For example, you want to start with YouTube videos, with YouTube channel, and you're not sure if YouTube is the right platform for you. So you really tune into your body and you ask yourself, I'm going to start with YouTube channel. How does it feel? Is the feeling expanding or it's contracting? If the feeling is expanding, then this is your answer. It says yes, do it. If the feeling is contracting, then this is your answer. It says no, don't do it. This is not the right thing for you. Second step is you need to enjoy what you're doing. When you make a decision, you need to enjoy in this decision. Does it feel right for you? Ask yourself, does it feel right for you? And the third step is, what is the energy behind? Why am I starting with YouTube channel, for example? And here I will give you one real example from my life yesterday. I was watching to Michelle Rohr and Jason something, why they love teachery. And I was listening to their YouTube videos, and I was really intrigued that maybe I need to buy a subscription to teachery. Maybe this is the right thing for me. And then I tuned in, and the answer was no. Not at the moment. Even though it feels so amazing, and I can create a customer hub, and I can create so many amazing things with teachery, at this moment, the answer is no. It's not the right thing for me. And that's why I want you to start tuning into yourself instead listening to all the experts out there. So why do you think that, experts, I will just come up with some, but like Marie Forleo or, I don't know, Mel Gibson? Why do you think they have the right answers for you? Why don't you trust yourself? Why don't you trust that you have the right answers? Because no one knows better for your life and for your business what is the right thing to do. And that's why we have so many different advices out there, because one thing doesn't work for everyone. And if someone tells you, do exactly the way I do, follow my steps, and you will be successful, for me, this is an alarm that I need to stop following this person, because no one knows what is really right for you, which is scary and also liberating. Especially when you start your business, it's scary because you don't know what to do. You are just like in twilight zone. What should I do? Should I do this? Should I do that? How to do keywords? How to do SEO? How to do... It just becomes too much. And that's why you need to slow down, and remember, you are the magic. Your personality is the magic. Your message is the magic. And ask yourself, is this something you really want to do? Does it feel good? And what's the energy behind it? So I hopefully that helped you, and try it out. Let me know, how did you go? And if you want to learn more about the Magic Is You, that Michelle Rohr runs it, the link is below and you can check it out. And if I'm her affiliate, because I just love her course, her coaching course, I just love it. I can't wait for the next coaching session that we've got, because there's packed so much wisdom, and the wisdom is how to be the magic. How to be the magic. And if you want to check it out, and if you purchase through my affiliate link, I will also give you for free my business planner that I'm selling on Etsy at the moment for 33 Australian dollars. Enjoy your day. Thanks for being here, and talk to you soon. Bye.